What's up, buddies? I'm so happy you're here. Let's get started with our Yeti drawing. This one's gonna be cute and fun. He's gonna be drooling. He's gonna have the authentic coloring like a white and blue and gray. So grab something to draw with and a piece of paper and let's get going. Super simple. We're gonna start in the middle with his mouth. I always like starting with the mouth because it kind of centers the drawing for us. So go to the center of your drawing and just do a simple line with a slight curve in it. Good job, Reddies. Now, we're gonna do another one that mirrors this curve underneath it for the bottom of his mouth. Ready? We're gonna actually start a little over because we're gonna do a funny drool. So go down and then mirror it like that, leaving this piece open. All right, good job. Now this is gonna be super easy. It's just gonna be a line down with a little drop shape. Just like that, Reddies. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the sides. So just a C shape or a curve, ready? Doop. Same thing over here, a C shape, ready? Perfect, Reddies. All right, now we're gonna do the outside of this exact shape. So let's just mirror it on the top. Perfect. Mirror it on the bottom. Mirror means do the exact same thing. And then another C shape around and down. Same thing over here, Reddies. Around and down. Perfect. I can see it coming together already. All right. We're going to do for Yeti eyes, I like doing these silly, wide, small eyes. So same thing, we're going to do a circle here and here. Ready? Circle. Circle. Oh, it's looking so good. All right, Reddies. For this one, we're gonna do this funny hair, this like Yeti fro. So let's first do the sides of his head here and here and bring it down. So go to about the middle of the eye, right here, take it out, and let's start our fur. So let's go down. And we'll go up for the fur and down and up for the fur. Same thing, Reddies, on this side. Start about halfway of the eye, down and up for the fur, down and up for the fur. Perfect. So we left this side open for a little baby horn. Let's do that. So we're gonna do a little curved line right here, buddy. So just curve, boop. On this side, we're not gonna have the curve. The horn's gonna be coming out. So we just take it straight up to about there. Perfect, buddies. All right, for the horn here, buddies, we're gonna go out and up. Can you do that? And then down and back, ready? Down and back. Down and back, just like that. The same thing over here, but we don't need the curved line, Reddies, because he's coming out of his head this angle. So we're gonna do the same thing over there. We're gonna go out and up, and then down and back. Perfect, Reddies. All right, now, Reddies, we're gonna do just this funny little fro hair. So we're gonna do like a curved head, but we're gonna have to add the fur, Reddies. So watch how we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it with fur lines. So we're gonna take this corner of this horn and we're gonna go over and then bring it down like hair almost. You see that? And then back up. And then how we did that line, we're gonna do another one. Ready? Perfect. and then up. And then one more, buddies. And then up. It looks so funny and cute. All right, buddies. Now, same thing, but we're gonna give him like the little fake puff hair. So take this line and make a triangle up. Perfect. And we're gonna do a line out and up. Good job, buddies. And then we're gonna kind of go up with this one to go this way now and back. If I'm going too fast, buddies, just rewind it by tapping your screen and go back 10 seconds. All right, this one we're gonna go up and over. And now we just need to make little triangles for the hair. So we're gonna go up and down, up and down. A bigger one and down. Bigger one and meet it. So cool, it looks so good, buddies. All right, so now we're done with the top. Now we're just gonna give him this silly little Yeti belly body that we usually do. So we'll do a nice little short belly. So we can start that. We'll just curve it down and we'll start coming back real quick to give him like that short body belly we always do with our Yetis. So just a curved line. Job, Reddies. Reddies the Yetis. All right, and now we'll start his hand here. And then do it again. And then we'll kind of give him like a fist. We'll just curve it under. Like that. And go up. And then attach. So cute. All right. We're gonna do the legs short and stumpy. So we're just gonna go out and then over and then up. I always like doing these. They're so cute and easy. They're like an elephant's foot, pretty much. So we'll match this over here. We'll go out, curve, and then up. So easy, breadies. And then to show that he does have another arm over here, this will be a quick little, just a curved line. So just go a little above here and go up and then in like that. All right, breadies, we are all done with the outline. Now we're gonna color together. Coloring's so fun and relaxing. I wanna do it with you guys. So I already kind of figured out what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a blue, light blue on the top and just a simple white body, like a real Yeti. And we're gonna use gray, like a light gray to make the white fur really come to life with some shadowing, okay? So grab your colors. Again, I think we're gonna do like a light blue for the top. And then I wanna grab like the lightest light gray possible. So I'm gonna test these two out with you and we'll see which one is lighter. All right, pretty good. They're very similar. Might even wanna try one more. See if I can get even a lighter one. This might just be white. Oh, that's really good. I think I'll go with that. It's so light, we'll use it because it's almost like a white. So we're gonna use these two. All right. Again, oh, and we need a red for the lips. So that's pretty obvious. We're just gonna use a regular red. All right, ready? So grab a red marker and let's color together. So, simple. Do this. Lip. Nice and easy. There's nothing too small about it, so we don't have to get our fine tip out. We'll just use these. And if you're wondering, these are alcohol-based markers. They're really simple to draw with. And we get this brand Beyond Yo. It's affordable. We've used them for years, so no sales tactic. Just try them. They're really fun and easy to draw with. We love them. All right, so that same blue we did with it, we're gonna do our hair. Let's do our drool here. Let's do a fun little whoop. A little shading on the drool. Cute. All right, and let's do our hair. You know what? I chose the light blue, buddies. I want to do some shading on the hair because that's so fun. So I'll do this as the light one. Let's get a dark one, but we gotta test it out, buddies, because if it's too dark. Oh yeah, see that one's way too dark. It doesn't look that dark, but when you draw with it, it comes out super, super dark. Let's try this one. Wow, that was really dark too, but I think it'll work. One more shot at it. B27, maybe B25. Let's try this one. They're about the same. So we'll try this. I'm gonna do some shadowing with our hair, buddies. So for shadowing, you wanna get your light side, your skinny side, I mean, and kind of prep your shadowing. So we'll go the tops, or the tops of the hairs like that. And we'll fill that in a second. Same thing. You know, if you've colored with me before, I really love how this kind of brings our photos to life. It looks so good. So we'll color those in. Just gives it that 3D perspective. And most of you out there are kinder and pre. You're adults like me who still like to color and draw monsters. It just adds some fun to it. Makes your drawing pop. Without getting too crazy on like being exact or perfect on your lighting. Cool. And now grab your lighter blue and color that in. Remember, Breddies, you don't want to overlap with the alcohol-based markers because it'll kind of blend and blur and give you another line of shadowing you didn't really want. So, without getting too serious, just try not to overlap too much. Coloring is just fun and relaxing. How many times have you colored and not only does it bring your photo that you didn't think was your drawing that you didn't think was that great, but then you're just calm after. Just forget about the world. Just draw. Color in these lines to look good. Take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's so fun. There we go, Breddies. Alrighty. Alright, now that gray I was talking about. This might not be dark enough, but we're gonna try anyways. Let's see how it looks. We're basically just gonna go around. Yeah, let's get our skinny side to make it look good. So we're gonna go around the sides over here. Give it a little shadowing. It looks pretty good. Ooh, do I have red? I have red from doing my lips. It's getting right there. Always be careful with that, Breddies. Whoops. See if I can rub it off on my... Oops, gotta put my lid back on. All right, this might be too light, but I'm gonna go for it anyways because it's looking good on paper. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but it should. Looks really light. I might have to go again and do a little darker, but I think we're just gonna stick with it because it could just be a white Yeti, you know what I mean? This would probably be, ooh, you know what? If we forgot our fun toenails, or let's do some triangles for this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That looks good. Cool, buddies. It's looking so good. We'll go some thin shadowing up here. All right, buddies, what do you think? Let's do our fur X's we like doing. X's, just V's. Anywhere you want, just to bring that bad boy to life. Looks so good. All right, get your black. Do the inside of his mouth right here. Since it's a super light colored Yeti, I'm trying not to get my finger from the red on there. Kind of smeared there, but still looks good, buddies. I'm kind of thinking, usually I do white eyes, but I almost want to do some yellow eyes or something. Or should we do the horns yellow? Let's grab a really light, like beige for the horns. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, we'll do our horns beige. Ready? Yeah, that looks pretty good with the white. I like it. So good. Let's do the toes beige. That looks fun. And that is it, buddies. I hope you had fun coloring and drawing with me. Let's show you what I got. Check it out. I hope you had so much fun at home drawing and coloring this Yeti with me. Like and subscribe to do another one with me tomorrow. I can't wait to see you. I'll see you later, buddies. Bye.